Hey there, food lovers! Ready to make a cheesecake that'll have you shouting, "Ay caramba!" with every bite? We created the most irresistible Mexican raspberry cheesecake ever. This isn't your ordinary cheesecake. We're adding a Mexican twist with a vibrant raspberry swirl that's both tart and sweet. Get ready for a fiesta in your mouth. So, put on your apron, grab your ingredients, and let's get baking. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. This is the most crucial step to ensure a smooth baking process. Having everything ready and within reach will make the entire experience more enjoyable and efficient. Don't worry, everything you need is probably already in your kitchen. From the basics like sugar and eggs to the more specific items like cream cheese and graham crackers. You might be surprised at how well stocked your pantry is. For the crust, we'll use buttery graham crackers. These provide a deliciously crunchy base that complements the creamy filling perfectly. Make sure to crush them finely for the best texture. A touch of sugar for sweetness is essential. It balances the flavors and adds that extra bit of indulgence to the crust. Just a few spoonfuls will do the trick, and melted butter to hold it all together. The butter not only binds the crumbs, but also adds a rich, buttery flavor that makes the crust irresistible. The cheesecake filling is a creamy dream of cream cheese. This is the heart of your cheesecake, providing that smooth, velvety texture we all love. Make sure it's at room temperature for easier mixing. Sugar, eggs, and vanilla are the next key ingredients. The sugar sweetens the filling, the eggs help it set, and the vanilla adds an incredible depth of flavor. Each component plays a crucial role in achieving that perfect cheesecake consistency. And a secret ingredient for that extra Mexican flair, a pinch of cinnamon. This adds a subtle warmth and complexity to the cheesecake, making it truly unique and memorable. And for the star of the show, the raspberry swirl, we'll use fresh raspberries and sugar. The raspberries add a burst of tartness that contrasts beautifully with the sweet, creamy filling. Puree them until smooth for the best swirl effect, and a squeeze of lime juice to make those flavors pop. The lime juice enhances the raspberry flavor and adds a zesty kick that brightens up the entire cheesecake. It's the perfect finishing touch to our ingredient list. With our ingredients ready, we're set to begin baking. Stay tuned for the next chapter on making the perfect crust and creamy filling. Now let's make that crust. Crush your graham crackers into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor for this, or if you're feeling strong, put them in a bag and give them a good whack with a rolling pin. Mix the crumbs with sugar and melted butter until it's well combined and resembles wet sand. Press this mixture into the bottom of your springform pan, ensuring it's nice and even. Pop it in the preheated oven for a quick bake, just until it's lightly golden. While the crust bakes, let's whip up that luscious cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, beat together the cream cheese and sugar until it's smooth and fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time, making sure each one is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract and that secret touch of cinnamon. Now, this is important. Don't overmix. We want a smooth filling, but too much air will make it crack. Now for the fun part, the raspberry swirl. In a saucepan, combine the raspberries, sugar, and lime juice. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the raspberries break down and the mixture thickens. Let it cool slightly while we prepare the cheesecake for baking. Get ready, because we're baking like never before. It's time to take our creations to the next level of perfection. Take the crust out of the oven and wrap the outside of the springform pan tightly with aluminum foil. This will prevent any water from seeping in while it bakes in a water bath. Pour the cheesecake filling over the crust, then spoon dollops of the raspberry mixture on top. Use a knife or a toothpick to swirl the raspberry mixture into the cheesecake filling, creating a beautiful marbled effect. Get ready to dive into the refreshing world of cooling and chilling. In this exciting section, we'll explore the essential techniques that will transform your cheesecake into a true masterpiece. These steps are not just about making it taste incredible. They're the secret to achieving that perfect texture and beautiful appearance that will wow your friends and family. Let's unlock the art of chilling your cheesecake to perfection. First, place the springform pan in a larger baking dish. This is an essential step in creating a water bath, which is key to achieving a smooth and crack-free cheesecake. Next, fill the outer dish with hot water until it reaches halfway up the sides of the springform pan. The hot water creates a gentle and even heat around the cheesecake, which helps it bake uniformly. This water bath method is particularly effective because it prevents the cheesecake from drying out and cracking. The steam from the water bath keeps the cheesecake moist and ensures a creamy texture. Bake the cheesecake until it is just set around the edges but still slightly jiggly in the center. This slight jiggle indicates that the cheesecake is perfectly cooked and will continue to set as it cools. Once the baking is complete, let the cheesecake cool completely in the oven with the door slightly ajar. This gradual cooling process helps prevent sudden temperature changes that can cause the cheesecake to crack. After the cheesecake has cooled to room temperature, cover it with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator. It is essential to refrigerate the cheesecake for at least 4 hours, but for the best results, let it chill overnight. This extended chilling time allows the cheesecake to set fully and the flavors to meld together beautifully. The result is a cheesecake with a smooth, creamy texture and a rich, well-developed flavor that will impress. When you finally slice into your cheesecake, you'll notice the perfect consistency and the delightful blend of flavors. Each bite will be a testament to the care and attention you put into the cooling and chilling process. Remember, patience is key when it comes to cooling and chilling your cheesecake. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your cheesecake is not only delicious, but also visually stunning. Enjoy your perfectly set and beautifully flavored cheesecake.
Get ready for the thrilling grand finale. It's time to bring your masterpiece to life with dazzling decorations. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for: decorating. Carefully remove the cheesecake from the springform pan. You can decorate it however you like. Fresh raspberries are a classic choice, but you can also add whipped cream, chocolate shavings, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon. Let your creativity run wild.
Hey there, everyone! We're unleashing the magic of cooking, specifically the joy of sharing. There's something truly special about bringing friends and family together around the table, savoring a meal crafted with love and care. In these moments, we create unforgettable memories and strengthen our bonds. So, let's dive in and celebrate the joy of sharing good food and great company. There you have it, amigos. Our culinary journey today has led us to the creation of the most irresistible Mexican raspberry cheesecake. This dessert is not just a treat for the taste buds, but also a feast for the eyes. Look at that beautiful presentation. The most irresistible Mexican raspberry cheesecake ever. Just imagine the creamy texture, the tangy raspberries, and the perfect balance of sweetness. It's a dessert that will impress anyone who takes a bite. Now slice it up, grab a fork, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Each slice is a piece of art, a testament to your hard work and dedication in the kitchen. Savor every bite and let the flavors dance on your palate. And don't forget to share your culinary masterpiece with the world. Sharing food is a universal language of love and care. Whether it's with your family, friends, or even your neighbors, spreading the joy of good food brings people together in the most wonderful way. Post pictures of your cheesecake creations on social media and tag us so we can see your fantastic work. We love seeing how you bring these recipes to life in your own unique way. Your creativity and passion inspire us every day. While you're there, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and share your thoughts. Your feedback helps us improve and create even better content for you. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, cooking tips, and culinary adventures. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when new content is available, and you'll never miss out on any of the fun. And ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Remember, the kitchen is a place of creativity and joy. Keep experimenting, keep sharing, and most importantly, keep having fun. Thank you for watching and joining us on this baking journey. Until next time, happy baking.